Hi guys, welcome back in this new SaaS review video. This is Sohaib and you are watching Digital Sohaib. So in this video, we are gonna review one tool that will help you to automate your all boring work, daily tasks. If you are continuously doing that work, this tool, trust me, will help you to save your lots time. So I'll review each and every detail about this tool, but you have to watch this video till the end so that you can get clear idea about this tool and how this tool will helpful for you, right? So I'll start this video, but before that, if you are new to this channel, so subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell, so whenever I will be reveal my new SaaS video, so you will get a notification. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, we will talk about the tool name. Tool name is RoboMotion RPA. RPA stands for Robotic Process Automation. Okay, and now we will talk about what is RoboMotion RPA. RoboMotion RPA software is a platform used to manage tasks with robotic process automation technology, extract data with scraping tool and compare data with auto download image documents, gain insight with price tracking of the product from different sources, and you can collaborate with your team to streamline task line, accessing, qualifying and prioritizing process with real work, right? So this tool will help you in that way. And if you talk about features of this tool, so can you see the official website of this tool? They have 4 plans: free, starter, growth and enterprise. If you will go with free, so you can get comfortable with this tool. And if you will go with a starter plan, so you have to pay $99 per month. If you will go with growth plan, so you have to pay $399. And if you will go with enterprise, so you have to pay custom price. So what features they have included in this tool? So how many users you can add in your workspace? If you will go with free plan, so you can add 1 user. With starter, you can add 3. With growth, you can add 5. And if you will go with enterprise, so and you can customize your users. Okay, and what else you can do? Additional users you can add for flows, versions, scheduling, audit logos, job logs, quiz triggers, standard packages, premium packages, enterprise packages, development robots, additional development robots, production robots, additional production robot, on-demand robots, additional demand robots, on-premise or private cloud setup, support channel, professional service. So many work you can do with this tool. But if you will go with free plan, so you will get less features with that plan. You can only access this tool, you can get understand by this tool. Okay, and but if you want more effective results for yourself, and if you want to automate your all entire business with the help of this tool, so you should go with their premium plans. But if you will pay monthly, so you have to pay for a starter 99, and as you can see, growth or enterprises prices. But if you want this tool for a lifetime deal, so I have an amazing lifetime deal for you. So you can buy this tool from AppSumo marketplace for a lifetime at a starting price $79 only. Okay, AppSumo is a platform where you can buy all digital product for your digital businesses, and after using all these tools, you can automate your entire business with the help of these digital tools. AppSumo is a trusted, high rated digital product and services platform. Okay, from you can buy this tool. If you want to buy this tool, so I have mentioned the link in my video description, so you can go through that link. After clicking on that link, so you will be redirect on this landing page. After coming this landing page, if you want to buy this tool, so you can buy. But if you want to create your free account, so just you have to come in this landing page and scroll down your page, and after that you will see here a blue link which is RoboMotion. Just you have to click on that link, and here you can create your free account, and after that you can get comfortable with this tool. Okay, and when you will be comfortable with this tool, so after that you can buy this tool, and then you will be understood about the feature with the future of this tool, and you will get more and more benefits with this tool, right? Because AppSumo is giving you a good quality of deal if you will go with AppSumo. So AppSumo also have mentioned all the details about this tool: images, tutorial videos, text form content, and as well as plan and features. They have 3 license tiers: license tier 1, license tier 2 and license tier 3. If you will go with tier 1, so you have to pay $79, And in $79, what you will get all the features which they have included above, and 2 users you can add, 2 production robots, 25 flows, 30-minute robot scheduling you can do. Okay, and if you will go with tier 2, so you have to pay $149 one time, and you can access this tool for a lifetime, and all the features you will get which they have included in this plan. And if you will go with license tier 3, so you have to pay $249, and if you will pay this amount, so you can access this tool for lifetime, and all the features they are offering you will get all these. Okay, and also they are giving you one more amazing thing. After buying this tool, if you will not satisfied with this tool, so you can get back your refund within 60 days. Money back guarantee you are getting with this tool, no matter the reason. If you will not satisfied, so you can get back your refund. Okay, so now we will talk about this tool features and plans. So after buying this tool, after creating your account, so you will see your dashboard like this, as we are here in my RoboMotion website dashboard. Here you can access all the features which they have included in your plan. Okay, and all the details right in front of you. You can see that play button, pause button, events, output, variable, vaults, everything, and everything you can access, and everything you can do. If you want to create your flows, so you can create easily by searching your work. Like if you want to create your flow for browser, so open browser. Now I'll do my setup and you see how I'm doing. Okay, you will go with applications, so app in, app out, app push, app request, app upload, app download. If you will go with browser, open browser, close browser, open link, switch window, close window, send keys, upload file, type text, move to element, alert, save image, click element, wait element, select, get cookies, get value, set value, switch frame, go back, go forward, refresh, screenshot, run script, clipboard. So everything you can automate with this with the help of this tool. Okay, so many more features you will get in this tool if you will go with their premium plan. So okay, so I hope you are understanding about this tool, how you can use it, and how this tool will helpful for you in your business and in your prospective work. If you want to know more about this tool, so you can the link which I have mentioned in my video description, and you can understand more about this tool. You can read articles which AppSumo have which AppSumo has updated about this tool. So you can read about this tool more things, and you can know better in depth about this tool. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you want to buy this tool, so you can buy, and if you want to use this tool for free, so you can use it for free. And that's all for today's video. I'll see you soon in another one. For till now, bye bye and take care of yourself.